don't hurt the girl. You understand what I say?
Alright.
Greetings, ones and ones. How is everything? What going, bossy?
Where's the Patsy?
Hello, I'm Mr. Boy Bogaster. I like your shirt. What is King? Long live the king. You know, say king right is a spell wrong, no? You know that?
Patsy. A matter of fact, I know what you want. Patsy, the flavor is down here, son.
Yeah, but Siggatorade write the song.
Patsy, the flavor what you want, the round there, son.
But Siggatorade
Patsy, the flavor what you want, the round here, son.
Oh,
Yeah. One thing. Yeah. You sure? Patsy. Patsy, me not have time for it. Me really time ago. I can't buy the games them right now. Alright, so me have to get that Gatorade come off the move right now. But next time, me do the drama. I have to move. I have to jump on when we need to.
I'm going to come
No, General, me foul. Alright, my General, sorry about the delay. Alright, only can help me, General.
Yeah, I did forward there a couple of times to link there still. You know, I did talk to the little young lady by the there, you know, and they think we have an arrangement. Your cousin Quickfoot, man, him send me to the eye, man.
Okay, I pick up now. King, it's all about the shirt, my General. It's an honor. It's an honor. One umbrella.
Yeah, man. So as me tell the young lady still, you know, we have some community projects I deal with, and you would have been the person with me that would want to provide some of the food for some, you know, community feeding program when we have a one, you understand? So me then come to them for work out the logistics, you know, if me order say 50 food, you know, per day, you know, and how we go. Yeah, you know, so me need you to tell me how the logistics go, you know, and how much I can take out.
What you do? Well, boss. Patsy. Oh, you're reaching us now?
Oh, you left this open.
No, sir. How's it now?
And I'm not fast never lock up your shop properly, sir. So yes, as me that say, I sugar
Patsy, me not have time for this. Time ago, I'm off to move. Alright, my General, you know, say, tell you the truth. Wonderful offer, but the time I be my bad, because I have them food I have to go deliver, so I need to let the shop and move. But I can talk about that because that sounds good.
Alright, no say party.
Alright,
This is you can otherwise tied up too.
You see it?
Yeah.
You see it? It's a big day.
Arniam, come here, man. Listen. I can't run the shop for you, just envelope and don't need to care, right?
No, you can't run the shop. First thing first, you don't even know the prices.
I can't read Kareem, so there's something them right there, so.
Yeah, but Patsy.
Listen, we are not done. I'm not teeth anything, so furthermore, you're not even have no bleaching cream, man, you're not for my teeth. So that's dating.
I'm afraid of you and the people, them. Honestly.
What am I gonna do, on them?
No more options. Alright, Patsy, see the key here. When you're done, just lock up and carry it to me. Please! Dip on your good behavior, alright? The best behavior.
Yeah. You're not for it.
But you hear me, my friend?
Yeah.
Yes, my General, back to business. We are saying most of me make a fast run, so we have to go talk. But we can't talk, you know, if you are roll with me.
No problem, cause me and touch back the road, bro. So we can ride together, you see?
Alright, sound good?
Yeah. So angle your bangle and power.
Patsy, best behavior.
How we are?
Do me and make it, I never make my nose, man. They look over come creative, that's weird.
Yes, man, look for flower. Yeah, man, I'll bless everything.
Alright, so where you say for go on?
Wait for.
Yeah.
Just check up on the shop if you see Tony and some other place. Because me call her from evening and me not get her. But no, so she never come home last night because she sleep over Paris. But because me I call her and not get her, me a little worried. So just check and let me know if she there for the shop, please.
Alright, me I go do that. Me dey close by, so me I go just make a stop.
Alright. You go?
Yeah, me go, but here what? I want to talk to you about something here.
This one, yeah. Not like this something like. Alright.
This is our last time, boss.
I'm there.
Alright.